We'll just walk around it.
Alright. We're cleaning a mobile home. This is the living room.
Red stains.
Okay. Show you what we're getting into here. The first small bedroom. Just a walk-through area. Okay. Second bedroom is a little dark in here. It's more of a commercial grade carpet. Alright, in the back bedroom. So that's what we're going to do with a low moisture cleaning. So hopefully these carpets will be dry as we go along. We can keep ahead of it. By the time we get into the last room, hopefully this first room will be dry. Alright, oh yeah, it's a little bit of worn areas here, matted down. Hopefully this will pick it up. But that's what we're doing, so stay tuned. Alright, we're in the, what's this, the second room?
Yeah.
From the back. I don't think you can really tell there's something's going on to be by here in the back.
I can tell.
I'm going to look at this first room real quick. Alright, he did this room. I was up front messing with some gum that was in the carpet. Alright, it looks a lot better. Again, these are rental units, so the carpets are pretty old.
We're going to get the living room next.
You don't want to do that first room?
I'll save it for last.
One more room.
We'll get this last.
Alright.
Because
So we're going to do the living room.
I don't have to mix up a stronger pre-spray.
Alright, we're going to pre-spray all this room and then we'll
I'm going to go outside, take a break for a minute, sit down.
be right back.
This floor's uneven, it jumps.
Alright, we're in the living room. This carpet's pretty worn out. It's got some damage. It's got some holes in it and some other damage. So
It's heavily worn out. This carpet saw its better days 8 or 10 years ago.
yeah, carpet cleaning cleans fibers but cannot fix damage. So if you have damage in your carpet, sometimes you can make it look a little better, but you can't fix the damage.
It is looking pretty good for what it is. This area is pretty trashed. Whoever lived here didn't care about keeping up with the carpets. That's the thing about rental properties. If they don't own the carpets, why do they care? They just don't care because it's not their money just getting thrown down the toilet when the carpet gets ruined. It's the landlord's problem. That's how the people see it.
Yeah, these carpets are are pretty much worn out to the point you can't really make them look that great.
I'm painting the bottom of the carpets right now.
Yeah, it's a real thin carpet, so cleaning it all the way from top to bottom is not a problem at all.
I mean, in some of this, you're literally cleaning the bottom of the carpet. There is no fibers. It's just like an old horse blanket. It's just completely flat and matted.
It's thin.
Sure enough. But it's alright. The dirt just comes out.
Yeah, at least the carpets, they'll be dry pretty quick. Now, if you come in here with a regular extractor and a wand, and you try to clean these because they're kind of dingy, you'd end up putting a lot of water down trying to scrub out the stained areas and stuff, and the carpets get soaking wet, and the subfloor is going to get soaking wet.
We started doing these carpets because they had a guy with a truck mount that was cleaning them, and they said that what we're doing here, he would get these carpets like this wet where they're wet all night.
Yeah.
And they were getting wet right through to the wooden subfloors and rotting out the subfloors underneath the carpeting. Now here's some red stuff. I don't know if I'll take it out, but I might.
It's probably in there permanently. I put some ammonia on it.
Looks like it's trying to go to town.
It just needs some scrubbing maybe.
That's close. Now we'll put some peroxide on it as soon as I'm finished.
This whole room could use some peroxide, but I don't think it's going to really fix it. So. All right.
Now we have a woman that started working with us in our business. Her name is Cam. She don't want to be on camera, I don't think. Anyway, she has a Hoover steam vac. A Hoover steam vac, and I think a Hoover steam vac, these kind of carpets, a Hoover steam vac could do a good job on when they're thin. I mean, these are thin, it'd probably do a great job. So
You just got to go fast so you don't get the carpets over soaked.
we've had some people ask us about the Hoover steam vacs before, and we've never made a video talking about them. We might soon, just to tell people what we know about them. The truth is, Hoover steam vacs are nice. Hoover steam vacs are nice little machines. They do a pretty good job.
Yeah, you see this dingy area. What this is too is it's a traffic pattern, and I don't know if they had a couch sitting here. They could have, and they were just rubbing their feet into the carpet right there. But that's why you have that color change there. It's just worn carpet. All right. I'm gonna pause here, so we're gonna finish this room, and then we have one more room to do. All right, we finished the living room. You can see this traffic stain. It's just worn out carpet. Really looks a lot better. There was a red stain. Oh, it's hard to spot now. Oh, right in there. And it's faded out.
It's right
Don't
here.
touch it. It's got peroxide on it.
It's right there, and it's almost gone, and it'll be gone in the morning.
Yeah, it'll fade out. So he's got one more room. He has to pre-spray it. And I'll try to show some video in there. So, yeah, it's not a big room. So stay tuned. Alright, we're on the last room. This is a commercial grade glue down carpet, although I don't think they glued it down. Now this carpet's going to wear real well because it's a commercial grade. So.
There's someone watching us at the window, so don't leave over there. We don't want to make a video accident.
Yeah, that line there is a gouge in the carpet.
Yeah, it is. Got where we don't know. I'm sure someone drug a bed across it.
Yeah, something heavy. Alright. While he finishes this room, I'm gonna. Most of the rooms were no problem. The living room was the tough area, and it came out a lot better than it looked like it was going to, since the carpet's so worn out. Well, we're just gonna wrap it up. I think we're done here, and so that's gonna be it for this video. So until next time, thanks for watching.